all my family and friends. Welcome to another episode. We're going to be doing a cheese ball today. This cheese ball I've been doing for probably 30 years. It's a very simple one, 3 ingredients. So hey, can't go wrong with that. This is my second one to have done already this year. So hey, we like it. But one of my fond memories of doing this cheese ball is my brother and his sister-in-law would always come to my house on Christmas, and as soon as she got to my house, she would grab the cheese ball and sit down at the table and start eating. It's just a fond memory of this cheese ball. But anyway, starting out here, I've got 2 packages of cream cheese. I've had it sitting out at room temperature. I think it's good enough that I don't have to use the mixer so it be so loud. But anyway, it's just 2 packages of cream cheese. I got a wafer beef, 1 package of wafer beef that I've chopped up. And then I've got 1 bundle of green onions that I've chopped up. I've already chopped them up, so I'm just going to put them into my mixture here and mix it up. Hey, how simple is that?
Very simple.
Even you could do this, couldn't you, honey?
Yeah.
Oh man, this is a good cheese ball. We like to eat it with crackers. You eat it with chips or however you want. But we like Ritz crackers, that type of thing that we like to take and eat it with. But all you do now is just get it all mixed up good, and I'm just slinging it everywhere. Imagine what it'd be if I had my mixer going. Okay, I've got it mixed up pretty good here. I'm just going to take it and put it in this little bowl here. I know it's a cheese ball, but sometimes I don't put it like in a ball form. Just kind of spread it out in this bowl. That way we can put some crackers around for everybody to just snack as they wish. So there is my cheese ball. I hope you try it and like it. It's delicious. So thank you for watching. Remember, God is good all the time.
All the time, God is good.